Installing the Perfect Balance return air pathway units throughout your home will help your heating and cooling systems run more efficiently. You'll save money while creating a more comfortable home environment. With just a single unit, you can also eliminate mold and mildew in your bathroom. Installation is easy and can be completed with tools you already have or can rent inexpensively. You should be able to start and finish the installation in less than half an hour, even if you're a novice do-it-yourselfer. We provide a template. All you need is a pencil to draw around the template, a screwdriver, sawhorses, or an even surface, and a saw. Most jigsaws will easily execute the cut after you draw the pattern on the door's bottom. The first step is to remove the door from its hinges. This should take less than 5 minutes. Step 2 is to lay the door down on sawhorses or a suitable level surface. Place the template on the door and trace. This is a crucial step and one you'll want to execute carefully for proper fit of the unit. Should take no more than a couple of minutes. Step 3. Cut along the template. Step 4. Fit the Perfect Balance unit into the bottom of the door. Step 5. Secure it to the door using the 2 screws included in your kit. Step 6. Reinstall the door. That's it. It really is that easy, and you'll feel a noticeable difference. No more foggy mirrors in the bathrooms even with the fan on. No more rattling doors when you turn on the heat or the AC. Colder hotspots in some rooms will be a thing of the past. All in all, your entire home will feel more comfortable. Thanks to this inexpensive, simple solution to airflow problems, your home will feel more balanced. In fact, you could say perfectly balanced. With our Perfect Balance return air pathways in the doors throughout your home. Now let's get started.